The kids are sleeping. You know what that means. Let's eat some crabs. I usually rinse them, but I'm not in the mood. Creating a butter sauce right now. A stick of butter. This one's unsalted. Very unlike me to do this after I've had a bath, so I might have to sleep on the couch. Minced garlic. A little juice. Lemon. Now bake. About 20 to 25 minutes. 350. This is why you create your sauce. So good.